Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals and concepts not available in any book or over the web. Most trusted channel and resource to build or advance your career in IT audit, IT security, IT SOX, IT risk and IT compliance. Friends, as part of our ITGC journey, I already have over 125 videos related to various control areas across application server and database layers with a new video every week on my channel. So please leverage them to understand these concepts thoroughly and build or advance your career. In continuation of our information security ITGC category, under which we started security hardening control area and covered it for Windows Server so far, we will continue security hardening control area and understand how to test security hardening for Linux and Unix server today. Before we dive into the details, just a quick recap on what security hardening means. So as the name suggests, it simply means to harden or strengthen the overall security with the help of security configurations or settings in the system. And the system can be anything ranging from a Windows server, Linux, Unix server, Oracle database, SQL database, or any other system for that matter. The reason these settings are important is because if these settings are not hardened, the bad actors can exploit these specific settings, as these are some of the key ones and which may result in a cyber breach. So that is the reason it's a heavily focused area in the information security ITGC category. Mostly these security settings are defined in the security or platform standards in the company, or they are available in industry benchmarks like CIS, ISACA and many others. Friends, you can watch my separate video on understanding the difference between a policy, standard, guideline and procedure, because these terms are used very commonly in the audit and compliance world. So you can watch a separate video I have to understand what these terms mean. For this specific video, we'll discuss 10 key security settings related to a Linux or Unix server. I've listed them all here on the board. It will help us understand what is this control area and how is it tested from an audit, security, control or compliance perspective. Before we dive into the settings, first look at the key control. So the key control we are looking in security hardening testing is a simple control, which is the security settings are in compliance with standards or industry best practice in case standard is not available in the company. So that's what the key control is. So let's go through the settings one by one. The first one is telnet. Many of you might have heard about this security setting. It allows users to start connections to other systems via telnet protocol. The request is a simple one. We would need the output of the specific command rpm q telnet, which will tell us if telnet is installed or not installed. The expected value in this case is it should not be installed.